Hi, everybody. So, this week I am going to share with you something that has been revealed to me by someone very close. And I'm fortunate enough to have very few people in my life who are, I would call them kindred spirits. They're my soulmates. See, your soulmate doesn't have to be your husband or your spouse. Your soulmate can be a friend, a family member. It's someone you have an actual spiritual connection to. Okay? So, going back to what I was saying earlier, that something was revealed to me by someone I know, and I love her for that. She kind of gave me a hint on how to deal with people who were playing kind of psychological games on me. You know, the psychological warfare where you use hidden messages or undertones in your voice and your words between the sentences, when you kind of read between the lines to people telling you that whatever you're doing, you're just not being focused. You're not being realistic. Oh, I don't see you doing something like this. You've never showed any interest in something like this before. Whatever it is that you want to do. And it's like they have the right to change and progress and evolve, and you don't. So you're supposed to be the same person that you were all these years back when you met them, and not change, but change is just for them. So my initial reaction was always to pick a fight, confront, and because that's who I was. That's the only way I knew how to deal with people. People who tried to put me down, I would just lash out. And I was taught something very basic, very easy, to kill them with kindness, to act or respond in a way that throws them off. And it worked like magic. It worked. They don't know how to deal with me now. They don't know what to expect. They don't know how to push my buttons anymore. I don't allow them, because you give people the power to control you that way. And I decided not to give anyone that power over me. And if you could do the same, if you know someone who's able to push your buttons that way and able to get on your nerves, you have to realize that you're the one who's giving them the power over you. And as easily as you give them the power, you can take it away. It's that simple. Just teach yourself to calm down and think of whatever it is that you want to say. Just say the opposite. Instead of defending yourself, agree. Whatever they're saying, say yes. Maybe you're right. And I do tend to do that sometimes. And watch them crumble right in front of your eyes. Reverse psychology, if that makes sense. And I find it really fun to throw people off. That's a little devil in me. I really like it. It's amazing how people don't know how to react to your reaction, because they expect a certain reaction from you, and you just completely obliterate whatever idea they had of you. It's a lot of fun. And if you want to have fun with someone like that, I suggest that you try it. It is so satisfying. Yeah, so try that for now, and then maybe next week I'll give you another lesson on how to put people in their place. Bye.